This is our high protein kidney bean salad. 23 grams of protein in just one serving. You can make it in 6 minutes. It's perfect for lunch, as you can see, and the dressing is phenomenal. So here's how you make the recipe.
Alright, so we need a small can of kidney beans, like a big cup it is. Then half a can of sweet corn, the 15-ounce one. Next in goes half a cucumber, diced. A good handful of parsley, gonna chop it now. In it goes chopped parsley, really smells good. And 1 spring onion, finely chopped. Alright, that's it, on to the dressing. Let's start off with half a lime juiced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, you can use also regular mustard, that's also fine, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, and a proper teaspoon of honey. And lastly, let's finish that dressing with a few cracks of pepper and a good dash of salt. Stir nicely until it all comes together. Yep, this looks good. We arrive to the final chapter of this salad. So the dressing goes in. And to finish it off, let's use 100 grams of feta, which is about 3/4 of a cup. Give it all a good stir and then we're done. Okay, so this is not only a good side dish, but also excellent for lunch. Actually, this is what I'm going to have for lunch. The salad is tasty as it is, but it's even tastier if you let it sit for a couple of hours, for example, like 3 to 4 hours till lunchtime. Then everything is soaked in nicely, the cucumbers get so much flavor, and you really see a difference. You're gonna love that one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the recipe and see you in the next video.